Well, hi there. My name is Jeff DeVerter, and I'm the Chief Technology Evangelist for us here at Rackspace Technology. Thanks so much for taking some time to watch this video. Now, this video is part of a larger series of videos that are intended to help you, our partner sellers, learn more about technology trends and our offerings here at Rackspace Technology. But more importantly, we want to help you deliver more value to your customers, help them solve some of their business challenges through the use of amazing technology, and then maybe even help unlock new opportunities for you with your customers. Because you see, businesses of every shape and size and industry are undergoing massive transformation right now, and technology, when delivered through experienced and amazing engineers like what we have here at Rackspace Technology, can help our customers achieve more. All right, so let's jump right in. Well, hi there. My name is Jeff DeVerter, Chief Technology Evangelist at Rackspace Technology. Now, one of the things that we've noticed here at Rackspace is that customer expectations for their private cloud have grown exponentially, due largely to their experiences with the public cloud. Now, to answer that, we have an offering called Rackspace Services for VMware Cloud. Now, here to talk about that with us today is Justin Shepard, the CTO of all of our private cloud offerings here at Rackspace. Justin, why don't you take us through the first couple of pillars?
Thanks, Jeff. The first pillar that we took into account when we were building this system is self-service. Consumers today expect to be a couple of clicks away from whatever that is that they want, whether that's a cup of coffee or that's infrastructure. And this allows them to be able to provision resources whenever they want without forcing them through a process where they have to pick up a phone and call someone to do things for them. And this has really become a North Star for our team as we were building this platform. If a feature that we're looking to deliver cannot be delivered in a self-service way, it really forces us to rethink how we're delivering it, or it makes us question if this is something that we should be putting into the platform at all. And our second pillar is rapid provisioning. Today, those consumers, while they expect to be a couple clicks away from that infrastructure, they also expect it to be online within minutes. They don't want to wait for the months and weeks that it used to take to get actual infrastructure online. So are you experiencing a surge in your website? You have a developer that's looking to release a new feature on your platform. They don't have time to wait for servers to be ordered, to get shipped to a data center, to be racked and stacked and have an operating system put on top of them all before it gets handed to them. They expect to be able to press a couple buttons, go grab a cup of coffee, and that environment is ready for them to start working on it as soon as they sit back down.
Okay, so those first two pillars really speak to how, well, the technical community engages with these private clouds. But the team also considered the financial models as well. Why don't you talk about that?
Our third pillar is consumption pricing. Unbundling the technology platform from services and solutions allows customers to choose the flexibility that they want for their applications. No two workloads are created equal, and you want to be able to pick and choose the right set of those things for each one of those workloads. I think about this as kind of the way that you interact with your cable company. Let's say I want to get access to the internet and I want to have cable service. I don't need a landline as part of that bundle because that thing's going to sit there unused. No one calls my landline, everyone calls my cell phone. So don't make me pay for the things that I'm not going to use. The consumption pricing is that same thread where it is I'm only paying for the pieces that I'm consuming. And this really allows me to start to optimize my cost with my business model and my financial desires. And that brings me to the fourth pillar, multi-tenancy. Not every environment requires a single tenant solution. Multi-tenancy still provides access to all the resources and still gives you all of the security and control that you need for your infrastructure. And for those workloads that single tenancy does make sense, we'll be looking to integrate single tenant solutions into the offering throughout the rest of this year. And that'll give customers the ability to mix and match multi-tenant and single tenant solutions for that perfect blend for their environments.
All right, so with those four pillars, where would they be without the ability to apply automation? Isn't that the fifth pillar?
It is. Automation is the cornerstone of any modern platform. And because we've built the platform on top of industry standard VMware APIs, you get access to a rich ecosystem of tools and solutions that will help you automate routine tasks, running your infrastructure as code, all the way up to building out CI/CD pipelines. Automation really is that answer to the question of how do I do more with less?
All right, well, there they are, the 5 key pillars of the modern private cloud available here at Rackspace. Rackspace Services for VMware Cloud, available today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something new and maybe generated some new ideas, made you think of a specific customer or a lead that you'd like to pursue. Our ask is that you reach out to your Rackspace Partner Manager or your Technology Solutions Distributor, your TSD contact, to determine how we can pursue these new opportunities together. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you.